David Lovell here, First National Real Estate in Yamba, although I'm standing in factory unit number 6 out at the base Workspaces out of Townsend. As you can see, compared to our last update, the building has come along in leaps and bounds. Over the next month, in the first week or two of October, coming up, practical completion will be done. As you can see, the spaces are fantastic. They're coming together. Mezzanines are all bar in. The glazing will be going in. The roller doors will be going in the next couple of weeks, as will the landscaping. So the spaces out here, the base Workspaces, they are ready to be purchased. There are 3 sold already. We do have the balance of the 12 available. And also, if purchasing may be a little bit beyond you, we do have an opportunity to rent 1 or 2 of the spaces as well. Now the spaces, larger ones up top here, 7 of them, and then there's 5 smaller Workspaces underneath. Want more details? Contact our team, but the finishing will be in about 4 weeks. Time to inquire now. Thank you.